So I had a situation where this power steering line runs behind this timing belt cover. It's actually fused to this cooling crossover pipe. I actually have a replacement one for that, but don't really feel like tearing apart the entire timing system right now. I got about 10,000 more miles to go before that time comes. So I fixed my power steering leak, which is leaking out of this nipple. When I tried to replace this S-bend shaped hose, it snapped and cracked, and now it's leaking everywhere. So temporary fix. Going to test out running this line all the way up around here. Comes all the way around. And you can see on the underside it comes up and then it hooks into the power steering reservoir, which is right here. I don't know if it's going to work, but we shall see. If it works, I'll end up just notching the 3.0 cover out a little bit so that way it can sit flush there and hopefully be good as new. Yeah, we'll see how that goes.